International Women's Day was a few days ago. And as we continue to celebrate our progress while acknowledging a hard truth, women remain at a financial disadvantage. Despite controlling over 31.8 trillion in global wealth, women still earn less, save less, and invest less than men, retire with 30% less wealth, negotiate less frequently, show them more unpaid caregiving, and are conditioned to play it safe financially, while men are encouraged to build wealth. That stops today. Financial empowerment is not just about money, it's about control, confidence, and the freedom to shape our future. But here's the good news. The tools to change this are now at our fingertips. Financial education is the foundation, but technology, specifically AI, is rapidly shifting the landscape of money management, investing, financial decision making. Women no longer have to rely on outdated financial systems that were not built with us in mind. AI powered tools are making it easier than ever to track our finances, negotiate better salaries, invest smarter, and access capital that was once out of reach. And that is exactly what we are diving into today. Welcome to the Merging Life and Money Show, where we go beyond numbers and talk about how to take real control of your financial future. If you have ever felt like the financial system was not designed for you, because let's be honest, it was not, you are in the right place. I am Marie-Jo César, a holistic financial wellness strategist with over 3 decades of experience in finance. My mission is to help women like you break free from financial limitations and build lasting wealth on your terms. Today, we are not just talking about financial empowerment, we are talking about action. We will cover breaking down financial barriers, why women still face pay gaps, low investment rates, and systemic financial obstacles. We will discuss empowering through education and AI, how financial literacy combined with new technology is changing the game for women. We will also discuss transforming financial futures, how women can leverage modern tools, smarter investing strategies, and financial confidence to build wealth for themselves and future generations. By the end of this episode, you will have the knowledge, the motivation, and the tools to take immediate steps toward financial independence, because financial empowerment is not just about having money, it's about having choices. Several significant barriers stand in women's financial path, none of which relate to ambition, intelligence, or work ethic. The reality is, we have been operating in a system that was not built for us, one that consistently undervalues our labor, limits our earning potential, and discourages us from taking charge of wealth building opportunities. The good news, however, is that barriers can be broken. And the first step is understanding the foundation of financial empowerment, and that is financial literacy. Because when you know the rules of the game, you can start playing to win. Before we dive into today's discussion, I want to make something clear. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial, investment, or legal advice. The content I share is based on research, personal insights, and industry trends, but every financial situation is unique. Therefore, I encourage you to consult a certified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Let's talk about financial literacy, the power many of us were never given the opportunity to develop. Most of us weren't taught how to manage a budget, build credit, invest in stocks, or negotiate a salary. Yet, these are the exact skills that determine our financial independence. The four key pillars, budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management, form the foundation of financial literacy. So today, AI is making each of these more accessible and personalized than ever before. A budget is not about restriction, it is about control. It is about telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Today's, Today, AI powered budgeting apps like Mint, YNAB, you need a budget, and Clio.com automatically track your spending, categorize expenses, and provide real time financial insight. These tools analyze your habits, detect patterns, and even suggest ways to cut unnecessary costs, all without you lifting a finger. But one major area where many people knowingly overspend is subscriptions. From streaming services to gym memberships to software tools, automatic payments can silently drain your bank account if you are not paying attention. AI powered apps like Rocket Money, Bobby, and Subby help track all of these subscriptions, flag unused services, and even negotiate lower rates for you. Imagine discovering that you have been paying for a subscription you forgot about for months. AI ensures that never happens again. These AI assistants learn your financial behavior, sending you alerts when you overspend, suggesting savings opportunities, and helping you maintain financial goals. It's like having a 24/7 personal financial advisor in your pocket. The bottom line, a strong budget is a foundation of financial freedom, and makes it easier than ever to stick to one. Now, we turn our attention to savings. Let's be real. Life is unpredictable. And when financial emergencies happen, having savings is the difference between staying afloat and sinking into debt. The old way of saving relied on discipline and willpower. But today, AI can do the heavy lifting for you. AI powered savings apps like Digit and Capital with a Q automatically analyze your cash flow and safely move small amounts into savings without you even noticing. These apps study your spending patterns and adjust contributions based on what you can afford, ensuring you consistently build savings without even thinking about it. Women often delay saving because they are focused on immediate financial responsibilities. AI removes the guesswork, ensuring you are always investing in your future, regardless of competing priorities. Now, shifting our focus to investing. Traditional investing can seem intimidating. So let me invite you to enter AI powered solutions. Robo advisors like Airvest, Wealthfront, and Betterment are breaking down barriers by making investing automatic, low cost, and tailored to your goals. These platforms analyze your risk tolerance, income, and financial goals, then create an optimized investment portfolio, all without requiring you to be a stock market expert. AI is also making investing more inclusive by helping women navigate stock market trends, analyze real estate opportunities, and explore wealth building strategies that were once reserved for those with insider knowledge. The takeaway is that women must stop sitting on the sidelines of investing. AI has made wealth building more accessible than ever, and it is time we take full advantage. So, while technology is breaking down barriers to wealth, financial burdens like student loan debt continue to hold many women back. Do you know that women hold two-thirds of all student loan debt in the US? Add that to credit card debt, medical bills, and high interest loans, and it is no wonder that many women feel trapped in a cycle of financial stress. But artificial intelligence is changing the way we approach and eliminate debt. Platforms like Tally and Undead use AI to analyze debt balances, interest rate, and payment behaviors to create personalized repayment strategies. Some even automatically prioritize which debts to pay off first to minimize interest payments and shorten repayment time. AI can also negotiate better interest rates, identify refinancing opportunities, and detect unnecessary fees, helping women get out of debt faster and keep more of their hard earned money. The message here is clear: debt does not have to control you. AI is giving women smarter, faster ways to break free and take back control of their finances. Financial literacy is the foundation of wealth, but having the right knowledge combined with the right tools makes financial success even more achievable. Women no longer need to be held back by outdated financial systems. With AI, budgeting is easier, saving is automatic, investing is accessible, and debt management is smarter. The best part is that these tools are available to all of us right now. Now, financial discrimination remains one of the most overlooked barriers to women's economic success. The gender pay gap is real. Women still earn only 83 cents for every dollar a man earns, with women of color earning even less. The disparity extends beyond wages into the investment world. Women led businesses receive only a fraction of venture capital funding, and women often face higher interest rates on loans despite equivalent financial profiles. However, this problem has solutions. Women are already rewriting financial rules, and technology is accelerating this change. Salary negotiation becomes significantly more effective with AI powered tools that provide the data needed for self advocacy. Platforms like PayScale, LinkedIn Salary Insights, and Glassdoor offer real time salary benchmarks, eliminating guesswork and empowering women to enter negotiation with confidence. Beyond fair pay, AI job matching tools like Till and JobScan analyze resumes against job descriptions to help women target roles aligned with both their skills and pay expectations. AI negotiation assistants like gloat.com provide strategic language and tactics for when women ask for more, ensuring they are fully prepared to succeed. Outside of securing higher earnings, the next step to true financial empowerment is making that money work for you. Okay, your parents always tell you go to school, get the best grades, get a degree, make lots of money, but no one really teaches you how to make your money work for you. So let's talk about the biggest financial game changer: investing. For years, women have been conditioned to play it safe with money. While men are encouraged to invest and build wealth, women are encouraged to save and be careful. That mindset has cost us millions in lost investment potential. This is where AI powered investment platforms are leveling the playing field. App like Elvest, that's ELLEVEST.com, wealthfront.com, and betterment.com take the confusion out of investing by creating personalized, automated investment strategies that align with women's unique financial goals. Let me add that since February of 2025, betterment.com acquired Elvest.com, automated investing account, and Elvest now exclusively serves high net worth clients. Okay. But there are still others like betterment.com that could help you. No more needing a financial advisor to tell you what to do. AI simplifies the process and ensures your money is actually working for you, not just sitting in a low interest saving account. And for women who are interested in alternative wealth building opportunities, AI is also breaking down barriers in cryptocurrency, real estate, and stock market trading. AI powered investing education tools like public.com and magnify.com provide real time insights in plain language, no more intimidating financial jargon. That means women can make smarter investment decisions with confidence, even if they are just getting started. Moving on to true financial empowerment. Financial discrimination is not just about what we earn or how we invest, it's also about access to capital. Historically, women have struggled to secure loans and funding for their businesses. Traditional banks often assess creditworthiness using outdated models that do not take into account the unique financial journeys of women. AI is changing that. New credit scoring system powered by AI, like those used by upstart.com and pedal.com, look beyond just credit scores. They analyze broader financial behaviors, giving women a fair chance at loan approvals and lower interest rates. That means fewer obstacles for women trying to buy homes, start businesses, or invest in their futures. AI is also making financial planning more personalized. Apps like Albert.com and Clio.com provide AI driven financial coaching tailored specifically to individual financial situations. They track spending, identifying savings opportunities, and even help with debt repayment strategies, all in real time. Women no longer have to rely on financial advisors who may not understand their needs. AI makes expert level financial guidance accessible to everyone. Debt is another area where women often face significant challenges. Women hold the majority of student loan debt in the US, and credit card debt can quickly become overwhelming when incomes are lower and financial obligations are higher. AI driven debt management platforms like Tally and Undead it mentioned earlier create personalized repayment strategies that help women prioritize high interest debt, automate extra payments, and get out of debt faster. With financial education, smarter investing, and AI powered tools, women can take control of their financial futures right now. The next step is taking action. It starts with negotiating salaries with confidence, investing consistently, and using AI to optimize savings, budgeting, and credit opportunities. It also means demanding better policies that close financial gaps for women because true change happens not just on an individual level, but on a systemic one. Women who take charge of their finances today are not just securing their own futures, they are reshaping the financial landscape for future generations. Even with the right knowledge and tools, internal confidence remain one of the biggest barriers to women's financial success. From a young age, women are taught to be cautious with money, to save carefully, spend wisely, and avoid risks, while men are encouraged to invest, take financial risks, and build wealth. This conditioned mindset holds women back from making the moves that build long term financial independence. Financial confidence is not innate, it is a skill that strengthens with practice. The more you engage with financial decisions, the more confident you become. So, why do so many women lack financial confidence? Let's start by acknowledging something important. Women are not bad with money. In fact, studies show that when women do invest, they outperform men because they make more thoughtful, long term decisions. But despite this, many women still doubt their ability to manage money effectively. So, why is that? For one, the financial industry was built by men for men. Walk into any investment firm and you will see marketing that caters to men's financial goals. For years, women were excluded from serious financial conversations. And even today, financial education in schools often does not equip women with the tools to negotiate salaries, invest confidently, or take control of their wealth. On top of that, money is often tied to self worth. Many women feel uncomfortable talking about money because they were raised to believe it was impolite, complicated, or not their job to handle finances. The results? Women hesitate to negotiate salaries, question whether they are making the right investment choices, and sometimes leave major financial decisions in the hand of others. But here is the good news: confidence can be built, and technology is making it easier than ever for women to take charge of their financial future. Step one: stop waiting for permission. You are already capable. The first mindset shift we may need to make is this: you do not need permission to take control of your own money. Too often, women feel like they need to know everything before they start. They think they need to read every financial book, take a course, or wait until they have more money before investing. Meanwhile, men just start. Here's the truth: you do not need to have all the answers to take action. The best way to build financial confidence is to start where you are with what you have. Open that investment account, negotiate that raise, or start using AI powered budgeting app. The more you engage with your money, the more confident you will become. AI is actually helping women break through this hesitation. Instead of needing to be an expert, AI driven financial platforms act as a personal money guide, simplifying complex decisions. AI powered financial coaching apps like clear.com and albert.com provide personalized financial insights without judgment, helping women build money confidence step by step. Smart investment guidance platforms like betterment.com and Magnify, that spells magnify.com, break down investing into simple, actionable steps, eliminating the fear factor, automated budget, and goal setting. AI-driven apps analyze spending patterns and create savings goals automatically, so women do not feel overwhelmed by trying to figure it all out alone. Technology is removing the intimidation factor and making it easier than ever for women to take control. Step two: talk about money like you talk about health family, or career goals. One of the fastest ways to build financial confidence is to start normalizing money conversations. Think about it. Women openly discuss relationships, career goals, and health with friends. But when it comes to money, many women stay silent. The fear of judgment, embarrassment, or feeling like they should know more keeps them from asking questions or seeking advice. That stops today. Start talking about money with your friends, your family, and your mentors. Ask how others are investing. Share salary negotiation tips and compare financial goals. The more we talk about money, the less intimidating it becomes. AI is making these conversations even more accessible. Financial communities powered by AI, like Women Plus community, provide safe spaces where women can learn, share, and grow financially together. I will add that I have been coding a lot of websites. Not to worry, I will have a list of those in the show notes. AI is also breaking down cultural and generational barriers around money by offering on demand financial education that is personalized, private, and judgment free. Women do not have to navigate financial decisions alone anymore. AI is making sure of that. Okay. Step three, trust your ability to make smart financial moves. Another major confidence blocker. The fear of making mistakes. Many women hesitate to invest, switch careers, or negotiate higher pay because they are afraid of getting it wrong. But let's reframe that. Financial mistakes are not failures, they are lessons. No one gets everything right all the time, not even top investors. The difference is that they learn, adjust, and keep moving forward. And AI can help eliminate some of the fear of getting it wrong. Automated investment platform, for example, AI-driven robo-advisors like Betterment.com and Wealthfront.com help women start investing without needing to pick individual stocks. Smart money management tools, AI-powered platforms identify financial blind spots, suggest better spending habits, and flag unnecessary fees. Debt repayment optimization. AI tools like Mitali.com help women strategically pay down debt faster and smarter. AI gives women real time financial guidance so they do not have to navigate money decisions blindly. That means less second guessing and more action. Well, the biggest takeaway here is that confidence does not come before action, it comes because of action. The more women engage with their finances, the stronger their confidence grows. The more they negotiate, the more comfortable they become asking for what they deserve. The more they invest, the more they see that wealth building is not just for men, it is for them as well. And the best part is that women do not have to figure it out alone anymore. AI is acting as a financial co-pilot, helping women budget, invest, negotiate, and build wealth faster and smarter than ever before. Because the women who take control of their money today are the one who will shape the financial future for generations to come. Now, shifting the focus to mentorship and community. Mentorship and community are just as important as financial educations and AI tools. Women don't have to figure out money alone. Financial decisions have traditionally been private matters, but silence does not build wealth. Conversations, connections, and mentorship do. Women who openly discuss money earn more, invest more, and feel more financially confident. While we readily share relationship and parenting advice, we often hesitate to discuss finance. This needs to change. Financial independence depends not just on what we know, but who we surround ourselves with. Women need strong financial mentors, supportive networks, and open conversations about wealth building. Mentorship and networks emerge as powerful catalysts for women, breaking financial barriers and creating generational wealth. Let's talk about what is standing in the way. Mentorship has always been a powerful tool for success. Think about it. Every great leader, entrepreneur, or investor has had someone guide them, teach them, and help them navigate challenges. Yet, when it comes to money, many women still do not have a financial mentor. This is a major problem. Without mentorship, women are more likely to undervalue themselves, miss investment opportunities, and feel uncertain about major financial decisions. The good news is that mentorship is not just for CEOs or millionaires, it is for everyone. A financial mentor is simply someone who has knowledge and experience that can help you make better financial choices. This could be a woman in your network who negotiated a high salary and can show you how to do the same. It could be a friend who has successfully invested in real estate and can walk you through the process. Or it could be a colleague who understands retirement planning, tax strategies, or wealth building. Mentorship is not just about receiving knowledge, it is also about sharing it. Women who have gained financial confidence should pass that knowledge down to younger women, friends, and family. And that's why I love what I do. Because when women uplift each other financially, we all win. Beyond mentorship, women need to actively build financial networks. Men have been doing this for centuries. They discuss investment opportunities, high paying job, and business ventures. Women, on the other hand, have historically been excluded from these conversations. But this is changing. Women are now forming wealth building communities, investment groups, and business networks to support each other financially. And AI is making it easier than ever to connect with mentors, find networking opportunities, and join financial communities. Online networking groups, like platform like Elvest, as I mentioned, and Women Who Money.com, womenwhomoney.com, offer mentorship, investment insights, and business funding opportunities specifically for women. AI powered couriers and investment networks, app like Chief and Dreamers and Doers connect women to mentors, business opportunities, and funding resources. Women led investment clubs. More women are coming together to create investment groups, share stock market insights, and build wealth collectively. Women no longer need to rely on traditional male dominated financial spaces. We are building our own. And it is not just about networking for career growth, it is about creating spaces where money conversations are normal, encouraged, and celebrated. So let's take it a step further. It's not just about talking about money, it's about circulating money within women led spaces. Women can support each other financially in three major ways: hiring and promoting other women. If you are in a leadership position, advocate for equal pay, mentor junior women in your industry, and create opportunities for financial advancement. Two, investing in women owned businesses. Women led businesses receive far less funding than male led companies. Being intentional about where we spend and invest our money can change that. Three, funding and angel investing. More women are becoming angel investors, venture capitalists, and financial backers for female entrepreneurs, ensuring that women led businesses have access to the capital they need. Women supporting women is not just about encouragement, it is about action. Every time a woman hires another woman, funds a female entrepreneur, or shares financial knowledge, she's breaking down systemic financial barriers. I will end this segment with this. We often hear that knowledge is power, but here's the truth: knowledge, when shared, is unstoppable. Women have the tools, the intelligence, and the skills to build wealth. But we will grow even stronger when we uplift each other, share resources, and create financial communities that empower more women to take control. The financial industry was not designed for us, but that doesn't matter anymore. We are building our own systems, our own networks, and our own opportunities. The best way to start is to find a mentor and or become a mentor and have money conversations with the women in your life. Because when women go financially, we all win. Now, before we talk about AI powered investing, let me remind you that this podcast is for information purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Any decisions you make should be based on your own research and, if needed, with guidance from a certified financial professional. Now, earning more is only the beginning. Investing is a key to long term wealth. Despite evidence that women often outperform men as investors by taking more strategic long term approaches, many women remain hesitant to start. The barriers are clear: insufficient financial education and the perception that investing is too complicated, too risky, or too expensive to begin. Okay. Fortunately, AI powered investing platforms are eliminating these obstacles by simplifying the process, automating decisions, and making wealth building accessible without relying on outdated financial institutions or expensive advisors. Now, let's talk about how women can use AI driven investment tools to take control of their financial future. One of the biggest reasons people avoid investing is because it feels overwhelming. So, where do we start? How do you know what to invest in? What if you make a mistake? AI eliminates these barriers by making investing simple, automated, and tailored to your financial goals. Robo advisors like wealthfund.com and betterment.com analyze a woman's income, career trajectory, and financial goals to create a personalized investment strategy without requiring her to be an expert in the stock market. Instead of spending hours researching stocks and bonds, handles asset allocation, risk assessment, and diversification all in the background. Women simply set their investment preferences, and the AI takes care of the rest. And for women who want to be more hands on with investing, AI powered platforms like magnify.com and public.com provide real time market insights, risk analysis, and portfolio recommendations without complicated financial jargon. And the best part is that you do not need thousands of dollars to start. Many AI driven investment platforms allow women to start investing with as little as $5. There are no more excuses. Investing is no longer just for the wealthy or the financial elite. AI has made it accessible to every woman. One of the biggest challenges in investing is consistency. Many women start with great intentions, but feel overwhelmed or unsure of what steps to take next. That is why the Savvy Women's Investment Roadmap was designed to give women a structured, step by step approach to managing their money, staying accountable, and making investing a natural part of their financial routine. This resource acts as a personalized financial roadmap, helping women set and track investment goals over time, automate monthly contributions to savings and investment accounts, plan when to reassess and adjust portfolios based on financial milestones, and stay on top of market trends and new opportunities without feeling overwhelmed. You will find the link to the Savvy Woman's Investment Roadmap in the show description below. By integrating AI-powered investing platforms with a structured financial tool, women can take the guesswork out of wealth building and ensure they stay committed to growing their investment long term. Another reason women hesitate to invest is the fear of losing money. Trust me, this fear is not irrational. Investing does come with risks. But playing it too safe by only saving means missing out on long-term financial growth. AI is helping women overcome these fears by acting as a financial coach, providing education, support, and real-time guidance to reduce the anxiety around investing. Apps like public.com, robinhood.com, and sofi.com/invest use AI-driven education tools to break down complex investing concepts into easy to understand lessons. Women can now ask AI financial assistance questions, get instant explanation, and receive personalized investment tips all within their investment platform. These AI tools remove the intimidation factor, making investing feel less like a gamble and more like a strategic plan for financial success. Let me just say that investing is not just about the stock market. Using AI gives you access to alternative wealth building opportunities that were once reserved for high net worth investors. For women interested in real estate investing, AI-powered platforms like fundrise.com and roofstock.com analyze market trends, rental property values, and real estate investment trust REITs to help investors make smarter property investment decisions. For those exploring cryptocurrency, AI-driven trading bots like shrimpy.io and coinrule.com automate crypto portfolio management and risk assessment. And for women looking to diversify their investment, AI-based robo-advisors can allocate funds across stocks, bonds, ETFs, and even sustainable ESG investments that align with their values. Women now have more options than ever before to build wealth on their own terms. AI is democratizing investment opportunities, ensuring that financial success is not limited to those with insider knowledge. Remember, investing is not just about making money. It's about creating security, freedom, and opportunities for the future. And thanks to AI, investing has never been easier, more accessible, or more personalized. So here is a challenge. If you have not started investing yet, start today. Even if it is just a small amount, taking that first step is what matters. Because women who invest today will not only secure their own futures, they will build generational wealth that empowers the next generation. And as we close this episode, remember that we've explored both the financial challenges women face and the powerful tools now available to overcome them. Financial empowerment is not just about numbers, it's about control, confidence, and creating a future on your own terms. This transformation does not happen by accident, but through intentional choices and continuous learning. Financial success does not require being the smartest person in the room, just having the right information, the right mindset, and the right tools. The narrative that encourages women to play it safe while men build wealth is changing, and we are collectively rewriting the financial future. Women are earning more, investing smarter, and stepping into financial independence like never before. And as we take control of our finances, we are not just changing our own lives, we are changing the world. And as Maya Angelou once said, I love to see a young girl go out and grab the world by the lapels. Life is a bitch. You've got to go out and kick ass. That is exactly what financial empowerment is about. No more waiting, no more playing small. It is time to own your financial futures, invest in yourselves, and build generational wealth that lasts. Now, here's a challenge. Do not just listen to this episode and move on. Take action. March 8th was International Women's Day, a day to celebrate progress and push for even more change. And financial freedom is one of the most powerful ways to create true independence and equality. So start now by choosing one financial step to focus on. If you are not investing yet, open an account with a robo-advisor or index fund. If you are stuck in debt, use AI-driven debt repayment tools to create a strategy. If you have been avoiding salary negotiations, use salary benchmarking tools to prepare and ask for what you deserve. And if you have younger women in your life, start a financial conversation with them today. The key is to take action, no matter how small, because every step forward brings you closer to financial security and freedom. And remember, you are not in this alone. There are AI-driven tools, supportive networks, and financial communities ready to help you succeed. The future is not something we enter, it is something we create. And today, let's commit to building a financial future that works for all women. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode of the Merging Life and Money Show. I hope this conversation has inspired you to take control of your finances and step into financial empowerment. If you found today's episode valuable, share it with another woman who needs to hear this. Because when we uplift each other, we all rise. So as we celebrate International Women Month, let's continue pushing forward, because financial freedom is not just about money. It's about power. It's about independence. And it's about creating a life we truly own. I am your host, Marie-Jo César. I will be back again next week. Until then, continue merging life and money. Hi there. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy watching this video, I know you will love this one. Stay here and check it out.